Gender and educational attainment. 2. Why do boys underachieve? It's a companion piece to the previous video. We looked at why girls' grades are getting better. We've got to flip it around a little bit and look at, well, what are some of the reasons possibly why boys are not doing as well? Expectations, disruption, gender roles, exclusions, role models, feminine, primary school, subculture, peers, employment opportunities. So, let's track straight on. The first idea is there's something going on at schools and in teachers' heads where they expect boys to not work as hard. They put up with boys not working as hard. They expect boys to have worse handwriting. They expect boys to behave a bit more poorly. And because they expect it, they put up with it. And as a result, cumulatively over many years, the boys do less good work, they fall behind. It's partly because of the way they've been treated by schools, sort of treated differently to girls, lower expectations. Behaviour. Boys are more likely to be poorly behaved in school than girls. We just said a minute ago, teachers expect this, sort of put up with it. But as it goes on from primary to secondary school, this disruption, this poor behaviour, leads to things like days in internal exclusion, or exclusions generally. Every day you miss, every lesson you miss, you fall behind a little bit. It's cumulative. So this could be a reason why some boys are falling behind in their final exams, because they've missed a lot of lessons because they've been poorly behaved. Role models. The idea here is, to many boys, schools seem like a very female place, particularly primary schools. Lots and lots of female teachers, not very masculine. And the idea is, to some boys, school seems very girly, very feminine. Learning, therefore, seems not a very masculine thing to do, and hence do badly at school. Linked to that is, of course, the anti-school subculture, which we've done before. Boys are much more likely to be the people who form the anti-school subculture, the group where their values and norms are in opposition to the schools. They break the rules to gain status from their peer group. Now, if you do this, one of the upshots of that is you're going to do badly in your exams at the end. The future, again linked to the previous lesson. If girls can see there's lots of jobs out there they'd want, boys, the argument is, can see the opposite. The sorts of jobs they can see themselves doing, heavy industry jobs, fixing things, making things, they're gone. Or at the best, they're going. So if there's no jobs for you, there's no jobs out there you would like to do, why would you work hard in school?